Hey ladies and gentlemen, this is Douglas Valenzuela here again shooting another video, and on this video I am going to show you what is called the funnel club with Builderall. It's just another way for Builderall to help you create leads and make sales and make money with this affiliate marketing career. You can also use these sales funnels, these lead magnets, basically these lead magnets, for any opportunity that you might have. They even have specific ones for health and wellness and other little cool things. So let me just go to my computer and show you the screenshots and show you how it works and what you can do with these lead magnets. And I'll see you on the other side. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So right now we are at the dashboard for Builderall. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you all these already made sites that Builderall has. Some of them are magnets, lead magnet sites. And a lead magnet site is a little squeeze page that you use for leads to leave their information, and they get something for free, which is usually a report or a small mini course, either on PDF form or a video, some sort of video tutorial, or just some like basic information about marketing or about your product or about your coaching system or about anything that you sell online or brick and mortar. So let me go in here and then I'm just gonna go to affiliates. And the internet's a little slower than usual. I think we all know why, but let's go right here. Lead generation, see right here, this is all this stuff over here. And you go to lead generation funnels, you go to funnel club. And here we are, funnel club. And these are basically all the funnels that Builderall has already built, pre-built for you and me as affiliates. And this is basically the basic one, which is the sales page for Builderall. These are other sales pages right here. This is the new one, the $1 opt-in one. You can preview it in this window right here, and this is what Builderall is offering right now because of what's going on with the crisis in the whole world right now. So they decided to give a free trial, a 30-day free trial of Builderall with all the features, not just some of the features, but all the features that you would get as a $69.90 member. So this is one of them. So these are all for dog grooming, for boot camps, for martial arts, auto detailing, real estate, everything. But these are the ones that as an affiliate marketer or an online network marketer, you will probably have more use for. And it's these ones right here. Anything that says download this funnel right here, download this funnel. It means that you download it to your back office, to your Cheetah back office, and you can play around with it and change a few things on it or everything. This one download. This one download. This one download. This one download. Anything that says download, you would put it in your back office for the Cheetah Builder. So right here, I actually clicked that one by accident. I don't know why, but you know what? No. So let me go back again. And because I wanna pick one that so I can show you. Wow, you know what? From the last time I checked, they have added a ton of lead magnet pages. Other premium plan. Okay, so anything that says download this funnel are the most fun ones, because if you wanna brand it to you, you can do that. Launch checklist. Oh, you know what? Let me check this one out. Let's preview it on the preview window and see what it looks like. Checklist for successful launch. Everything you cannot forget before your launch. Are you planning on launching for the first time? Find out the main things you cannot forget to do before, during, a launch. Sure, nothing goes wrong. Download our checklist. All right. Yeah. Okay. Let me download this one. All right. I haven't downloaded this one before. Go over here. Go over here. See, I'm messing up words because I think I've been watching those funny videos with Cardi B too much. Go over her. All right, right here. So this is the landing page, and this is the thank you page. And let's see. You can edit page. Go to edit page. So oh yeah. So right here, this image right here, actually anything here, because you downloaded it to your Cheetah Builder, you can change. So let's say you want to change the image, right? You go here to general settings, change image, and let me go, and just so you guys can see, it's not gonna match, it's not gonna look that great, but here's what you can do. Pick this one, save, boom. So now, of course, you change it to what the copy says. So you can change it a little bit, not too much, so it won't be too crazy. But yeah, right here, see if I can make it a little bigger. There you go. So you get the gist of it, right? So you can, so from what it shows right here, so basically what you would do, let's go to this page, right? What you would do, because the checklist is gonna look like this, right? So what you could do, you can either copy this image. I would say take the Builderall logo out if you can, or just create an image like this one right here, but with your branding. So I would like put that little cartoon logo that I have of myself up here, and then find similar colors to do this. I mean, you can find ways to do that, and use that image instead. So now it's branded to you. Although Builderall is the one that did all the work. Now let me go to preview and look at the actual. Actually, you know what? Let's go back to editor, and actually I have to go. Let's save it, right? And then that's fine. And then it'll tell me go to website. So I go to the website. My bad. Close. So over here, go to the website page, and let's see. And there you go. That's the actual. That's the actual lead magnet. That's the actual. Wow, this is kind of cool. I like the graphics. For sure. Or I mean, for replacing the image, right, on the landing page and on the thank you page, what you could do is like you just don't use a book image, just just any image that brands you, right, and use the copy that Builderall has used for it, and then there's that congruency when you go and and going to the actual book, into the actual lead magnet. This is great. This is great, and this also shows you. Look, you don't have to do something super intricate and crazy, especially if you're trying to get new affiliate marketers, new marketers, people that just want to start a home business. Show them the simplest way to do it, so they can just hit the ground running, and that's it, basically. And there you go. This is pretty cool. So that's all I have for this video. I don't want to make it too long. I always say that, but then it ends up being a little bit too long than I liked. But there you go. So now that I actually downloaded, I'm gonna mess with it a little bit and see what I can do with this, and just add it to my arsenal of lead magnets. Some of the lead magnets I've created myself, and some of the lead magnets I'm taking full advantage of what Builderall offers. And you can do this if you're like, a legendary marketer, if you're in, any other affiliate marketing business, or any business like, like MyEcon, the credit repair MLM. It operates more like an affiliate product, because it's all digital and it's all learning, But yeah, things like that. This works perfectly with affiliate products and digital network marketing products. All right. But you can do it for your MLM. Your nutritional MLM, your membership, wholesale membership MLM, anything. All right. So this is Douglas Valenzuela. Once again, enjoy life with the ones that you love, and you have a great day. All right. Bye.